Previously on Sailing New Horizons, we explored St. Lucia. We then set sail for Bequia, one of the islands in the Grenadines. We then began our exploration of Bequia by going for a nice walk, and then heading underwater to go for a pretty awesome snorkel at a nearby wreck. And here we are today, still in Bequia, with a whole bunch of tenders rafted together, drifting out to sea while engaging in good conversation. Here's a local delicacy I picked up at the market. It is a blend of sweet potato, raisins, corn, carrots, spices, all mashed together and wrapped up in a banana leaf. The lady that sold it to me told me to boil it, and so I did. And I must say, it was excellent. And the next morning, we went to a local dive shop to get our tanks filled. And here I am, scuba diving with some friends that live on a nearby boat. And just enjoying a nice local beer after a wonderful day of scuba diving. glaze with paprika, garlic, salt, and pepper. And then pan sear. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for next time to see our next adventure. See ya!